If you're looking to migrate your Practice Better page to WordPress, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will guide you step by step, and by the end, you'll be ready to make the move. Keep watching to see how you can smoothly transfer your page and some alternatives that might just make your life easier. First off, migrating from Practice Better to WordPress is not a simple one-click process. You're going to need a bit of time, patience, and technical know how to do this right. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know. The first thing to keep in mind is that Practice Better, while great for organizing client sessions, isn't the most flexible when it comes to customization. This is why many users look to migrate to WordPress, where you get full control over the design and functionality of your page. But there's a catch. Practice Better doesn't offer a built-in export feature, which makes the migration process tricky. Next, you'll want to gather all your content from Practice Better. This includes things like client records, session notes, and resources. Unfortunately, Practice Better does not provide a direct export feature for client data, so you may need to manually copy over your content or use an API integration if you're comfortable with that. Once you have your content, you're going to want to set up a WordPress website that's tailored to your needs. It's ideal to pick a theme that's easy to customize and fits your business model. The third thing is to install necessary plugins. For smooth integration between Practice Better and WordPress, you're likely going to need tools like WP Forms to recreate your client intake forms or a scheduling plugin to manage appointments. These plugins will help replicate the functionality of Practice Better in your new WordPress environment. Just be aware that while these plugins are effective, they don't offer the same all-in-one experience that Practice Better does, so it'll take some effort to get everything up and running smoothly. Next, it's time to rebuild your page. WordPress makes this step easier thanks to drag-and-drop page builders like Elementor or WP Bakery. These tools let you easily create and design your pages to look exactly how you want, giving you far more flexibility than Practice Better ever could. But keep in mind, WordPress is a little more hands-on compared to the user-friendly nature of Practice Better, so if you're not tech-savvy, there might be a bit of a learning curve. Finally, one of the major benefits of moving to WordPress is scalability. Unlike Practice Better, which is limited in some of its features, WordPress allows you to add custom functionalities as you grow. Whether it's integrating e-commerce features, advanced analytics, or a robust blog, WordPress can handle it all. But just because it's scalable doesn't mean it's without its downsides. WordPress requires regular updates, security maintenance, and hosting management. It's a bigger responsibility, but with the right tools, you can manage it. Now, I mentioned at the start that this isn't just about Practice Better. After reviewing the options, it's clear that there are some great alternatives out there, especially if your main goal is to have more control and flexibility with your website. Platforms like Wix or Squarespace could be a better fit if you're looking for an easy drag-and-drop solution without worrying about all the technical aspects of WordPress. They're not perfect, but they certainly provide a more streamlined approach if you don't want to spend too much time maintaining your site. So before you make your decision, make sure you explore all your options. In fact, I've partnered with some incredible alternatives to Practice Better that offer exclusive free trials through the link in the description. These platforms not only give you a free trial, but also some additional benefits you won't find anywhere else. So go ahead and check them out. You won't regret it.